Are you saying cheese?
Oh, what?
What'd you get in yours,
I'm
Jade?
gonna put some on yours, okay?
Are you helping sis? Good job, Dan.
Danny, don't just play on mine, okay? I don't want you to play on mine, okay, Dan? I don't want to play on mine.
You don't? Why not?
Ew, Danny, how's that taste? Yeah, that's what I thought. Did you taste it?
Ew. No.
Jade.
I'm going to take yours, okay?
You want to touch it?
Scoop it out of Daddy's.
Why not? You don't like it?
No. How would I get some out of mine?
You gotta scrape it really hard along the edge sides.
You want me to loosen yours up a little bit, babe, and then you can do it? Huh?
No, don't need it. Danny,
No,
ew.
Danner. That's yucky. If you want me to scrape yours a little bit for you, babe, so you can clean it out easier, I will. Just let me know if you want me to.
What, Daddy?
Ooh, what'd you find?
I'm going to show you. Wow!
Ew.
I'm going to put some in yours. Okay?
You want to put it in mine?
Yeah.
Let me put it in the bowl.
What the?
Oops.
Wow! Wow! What the?